got a new girlfriend, got a new girlfriend.
Lower prices on your favorite brand.
That was a good one, go back.
A breakup song. Do anything except one.
A love song?
Yeah.
We should have a cop up there saying you can't go right. Look at that poor Hummer's turning right. This would be a waste of time. Jesus Christ, what is that, like a foot? How much is that on those pillars?
Can I go? Can I just run this fucking thing? Is there any cops around? Other than the 25 that are over there? I'm going.
I think they're busy enough over there, they'll never notice.
They'll never notice. I swear, officer, I just couldn't stop. You were out of stop, sir. No, I swear I wasn't.
I slid right through that intersection. Wow.
Are you sure?
Yeah, these cars know where they're going.
It's either this one or the next one, but I think it's this one. If it's not this one, then we can just boogie over to the next one.
Here, hold on. Is that it? No, it's going right back into that mall.
Okay, so go to the next one, huh? There's nobody behind us.
Let's look.
Most people already